I'm so excited that you've chosen to start your PLC training. It's a huge investment in time, but it's a major step in advancing your skills. This is our Siemens PLC Trainer, and it's using the S7-1200. We have several versions of it available, and they all use TIA Portal. Now, that is not a free software. You do need to purchase it, but we do have options that you can bundle it along with your PLC trainer. So connect over Ethernet to the Siemens G120 drive. And just like all of our trainers, these are 120 volt powered drives. So we have 120 volt going to our transformer, and we're coming out with 220 volt single phase to our drive. And then we're going on to our 3-phase motor. Now, on the top of our trainer, we have our Siemens unified panel, which is a really cool HMI, by the way, because, yes, obviously we can connect to Siemens with it, but you can also connect to Allen Bradley, and it does Modbus. It does all the major brands. On the right side, we have our IO Link option, and this will connect to our Siemens PLC over Profinet also. It has an IO Link laser distance sensor, a inductive discrete prox, and a capacitive discrete prox. The three of these can either wire over IO Link, or they can wire directly to the Siemens S7-1200, so you can learn about wiring sensors to your PLC. And the really cool part about the IO Link is it also includes an encoder coupled to your 3-phase fan. That way we can get speed and position feedback and start talking about process control and PID. On our left side, we have our LMC motion control option. And this is a great opportunity for us to learn how to integrate third-party products with Siemens PLCs and how to take a custom block and put it into our program to make this operate. Now, while we've just talked about all the really cool high-end features of our PLC trainer, this is also a basic industrial control trainer where we can learn about AC and DC fundamentals. And now we're going to learn how to wire PLCs and basic circuits. So that we have 3 push buttons. We have 2 2-position selector switches, 2 3-position selector switches to their rights. We have a potentiometer and a meter. These are going to be our analog inputs and outputs. And we have a red mushroom button. Now, we have lots of lessons to go with our PLC traders. For this one, you want to start with the TIA Portal course and the industrial control course. And I've created this playlist right here with some of those sample lessons.